and guide me through right things, obviously. He got married in 2000 और राजपूत हूँ. लड़की ने बोला तुमसे शादी करनी है. मैंने घर फोन लगा दिया. 3rd year ग्रेजुएशन का लड़का. Can you imagine? You actually can imagine. You're going through it. Just imagine. You want to call. Okay? I couldn't have told this to my father. So of course I chose the easier way and I spoke to my mom. थोड़ी देर बात सुन के मेरी पापा को उन्होंने पीछे बोला कि बबलू कुछ कह रहा है. तो बबलू को जो बोलना था वो बोल चुका था. फिर पीछे से I could hear some mantras coming. लैंडलाइन फोन था और पीछे से पापा के कुछ मंत्र आ रहे थे. उसमें से एडिटेड वर्जन है वो ये है कि यही सब करने के लिए इसको भेजे थे दिल्ली. बात यहां पे भी नहीं रुकी. आई रीच्ड आउट टू माय इन-लॉज. सच्चा. Don't get me wrong, you know, while you go through this interesting, so to say, story, it also defines a character in a person. 20 साल में कट लेना बहुत आसान होता है. But to stand for somebody is very difficult. But if you feel 20 is not the age when you can stand for someone, you're wrong. If you want to stand for someone, you can stand for someone even when you're 10 years old. A boy seeing a father hitting the mom stands for his mom. So if you want to stand for someone, there is no age. It's not the age that defines. It's your character that defines if you can stand for somebody or not. Coming back to the story. मतलब मुझे कूट भी सकते थे वो लोग. Come to think of it. मतलब घर गया बंदा घंटी उल्टी बजा के जी मुझे आपकी बेटी से शादी करनी है. You know? तो पढ़े लिखे लोग थे वो. मुझे ये समझाया गया कि देखो बेटा तुम अच्छा कर रहे हो लाइफ में. And if you go this way, you may get distracted from the core focus of your life. And you should do what you're doing better. सुना मैंने सब. फिर वही लास्ट में आके लेकिन क्या करें कि हो जाएगी. So they had no reason for holding this marriage, you know. I spoke to her brother, and then people suggested that they want to get her married to a government officer. That's very typical in, I don't know, even Uttarakhand is not much different. At that point in time, Uttarakhand was pretty much UP. And सरकारी लड़के से शादी करना हर बड़े घराने का एक प्रचलन था. लार्जली आज भी है. मैं वापस आया दिल्ली. अब IAS करने जितना टाइम नहीं था बॉस. I'm not demeaning. I'm sure it still is the best thing that you can achieve in your life. मेरा एक फ्रेंड होता था धीरज सिंह. लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल धीरज सिंह नाउ. उसने बोला अबे बिहार का था. JNU वैसे पंजाबी को भी बिहारी बना देता है. अबे तुम फौज का नहीं ट्राई करते हो बे. So I was listening to a lot of answers when you guys were discussing that what is it that you should have in you to be an army officer. I think the most important thing that I feel you should have is you should be absolutely sure that you want to be an army officer. The day you conceive this idea in your head and stand in front of a mirror and feel that yes, I deserve this uniform, someday you will have that uniform. I had no other option in my life to get my wife other than cracking army. I remember मैं चाय और बिस्किट खाता था because the dinner time was not fitting in the schedule that I had created for myself, for my overall preparation. I would study at times when everybody else would sleep. I would sleep when everybody else was around just to ensure that my interaction with others gets limited. I remember all 4 tires of my car, they were flattened. I did not touch my car for so many days. लाइफ में दाढ़ी बनाने की नौबत पहली बार तब आई थी जब लोगों ने कहा कि अबे ये क्या हाल बना लिया है. I wrote my CDS and I thought, what if I don't get selected? Right? Second semester, third year, GE Capital was new concept. Call center was a new concept at that point in time. I went for an interview to GE Capital. The interview started in the morning, 32nd milestone, Gurgaon. By evening, I was selected by GE Capital in their Japanese process of call center. 8,000 rupees की तनख्वाह थी. If I continued with GE Capital when I was selected in 2000, if I was working for them today, I would have been at least on a package of 1.5 to 2 CR per annum. And I thought, गुरु ये तो लाइफ सेट हो गई. नौकरी 8,000 रुपए 2000 में. फोन कर दिया हमने फिर सबको कि I have a job, and the answer was bullshit. ये सब नहीं चाहिए. I picked up that job. I managed that job because it was a Japanese process of colonial Pacific leasing. That was the process that I was handling. I was calling all the Japanese people based in US. So the timings were such that I could still do my class, study and whatever, and go and do this job as well. Suddenly एक दिन पता लगा कि दोस्त तू तो रिटर्न निकल गया तेरा. SSB कॉल आ गई. Sometimes it doesn't sink immediately. Okay? Let me also tell you another student psyche. Okay? This may not be the most correct thing to tell here in this forum, but now that I see only students here. जब हम फॉर्म जमा करने गए थे, हम का मतलब many of us, हमने लिफाफों पे ना गोंद लगाया था. 5 फॉर्म इकट्ठे और यूपीएससी भवन जाके उस जो पोस्ट ऑफिस का वो होता था पहले, उसमें फॉर्म डालते थे. आइडिया बिहाइंड ये कि साला चिपका रहेगा फॉर्म तो एक ही कमरे में पड़ जाएगा सबका. हंसो मत, 5 एक ही कमरे में बैठे थे. It worked. There is nothing right or wrong. There is no technique. You can't criticize Virender Sehwag. Okay? You can't say today that Rahul Dravid was better and Virender Sehwag was not. He had his own way to reach where he reached. He was wrong, but he scored triple centuries. People were so right. Finished a career of 200 test matches, became the god of cricket, but could not score one. So nothing succeeds like success. If you can do it, you have it. ऑफिस में कुछ बोलने के लिए मेरे पास नहीं था. मेरी नानी एक्सपायर कर चुकी थी काफी.
Stay tuned for more updates, and those who have not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.